Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Expensive Fix. So today's video gonna show you how to change the alternator for Ford Mustang, old school ones. So this is the most AC one. Gonna show you what you need. First thing you need number 18. Number 18 to remove the tensioner, to remove the belt. You need number 13 for the belt for the top. You need the number 14 or 15 for the bottom one. This one is a bit 15 for the bottom one, number 15. Stay with me. And you need number 10 to unscrew the antenna wire from the back. So first thing we do, number 18 to remove the tensioner, to remove the belt. And remove the belt just from the side. Don't remove the belt all the way. Just the side from the. There we go. Now we're gonna use number 13 to hook up the. Always tensioner like that. There we go. The first belt and top be loose. Now we're gonna remove the second belt, the number 15. Always tensioner. Go. And don't forget to disconnect the battery negative sides. And you get number 10. This one here. What if? So this one you have to put a little bit of pressure to remove it. It's the old one now. We got the new one. This is the new one, guys. And back to place. Okay, we'll put everything back to its place. Now it's time to put the old belt to its place. Okay. Made some adjustments. There you go. So 10 minutes job. Drop the ratchet. Get number 18 back to the tensioner. And we gotta get left on the top. Okay, get this one to this place. There we go. Done. So now we gotta put connection. خليك فوق. It's a little bit tricky for this one here, guys. So we're done. So we unscrew everything back in the place. We put the wire to place, put the ground to this place, and we need to jump the car because the battery is low, and we're gonna start it. So pretty much it's easy job, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. Thank you.